Hi you guys, welcome to Sam's Beauty, where God's Beauty and Sam's Beauty are one of the same. And in this video I'm going to be doing another makeup for beginners, but I'm going to kind of spruce it up a little bit for beginners who like makeup and want to look fully made over. So I'm going to do a makeup look that has natural tones to it but have like a glam look, but instead of the basic neutral, I'm gonna put it a step up and glamorize it a little bit for it to look a little bit more intense than the average natural look with a bling. Is that a thing? Natural with a bling? I don't know, you tell me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon button to be notified when a video becomes available. Without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm going to put a little moisturizer on my face, and this is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost, my fave. Okay, and I'm going to use this Wet n Wild matte face primer. It looks like it's very liquidy. I'm more into cream, but you know, you gotta try new things. Okay, and I'm going to apply foundation first. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Matte. Okay, I haven't used this in a while. All right, I think it's full coverage too. Beauty blender time. And after that, I'm going to do my brows. I'm gonna put a little powder on it. And I'm going into the Beauty Treats brow palette or kit. That's what it looks like. I've been using it a lot. Upward motion. The other side. And I'm going to use the Incognito from Wet n Wild and clean it up. And I'm gonna use the LA color Nude from the Nude palette. I'm probably gonna use this color and this color and this color. A little bit. Okay, the other one. Alright, and now that color, brown, in the crease area, right there. Just like that. It's kind of like making it darken a little bit. Alright. Beautiful. Put a little bit up here under my brow bone. Okay, that's it. Eyeliner. Concealer by Wet n Wild. Okay. Barely press it in. Alright, now I'm going to use the Velvetizer from Urban Decay. See the difference? Wet n Wild Megaglo palette. This not so something something. And my nose. Blush. Just tap it in. Tap. Eyeliner, LA Color, pencil eyeliner. Small coat under my eyes a little bit. Same brown color. This right here. See the difference? Just bring a little glow to my face and my cheeks. Look, see the difference? Yeah. This glow. Put on my lip liner. Okay, and now my Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer lipstick. I love this lipstick. It looks like a lip gloss, but I don't know. It's thick. Looks like lipstick slash lip gloss in one. My mascara, Hard Candy Bold. Okay, this is the look. Okay, the finish look. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. What do you guys think? Right? It's still natural, kind of, sort of, you know, but it's bling natural, you know? Yeah, you know, what do you guys think? Come on. It's natural, but it's natural with an extra oomph of glamour. Is that a word? No. It's a word if I say it's a word.
Are you serious?
This look is beautiful, and it's glowing, and it's just bright, and like I'm feeling this look. Not really. I like colors, but as I said, you guys if you start off with neutral colors, you know, for people who are new to makeup, for beginners, yes, and then you graduate to this, because in one of my other videos, it's just a basic neutral look, and this is the glam version. Beautiful. And now it's time for Psalms Bible Corner. Today's scripture reading is taken from Psalms 5 verse 11. But let all who take refuge in you rejoice. Let them ever sing for joy, and spread your protection over them, that those who love your name may exalt in you. This is the word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. Alright, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon button to be notified when a video is uploaded. Share it to your auntie, your uncle, your cousin, everybody. Join the fam. I've been away for so long, and I'm so excited to start the new chapter on my channel. So you guys join me and watch my videos and just sharing the love together. All right? Thanks for joining me on Sam's Beauty, reminding you that God's beauty and Sam's beauty are one of the same. I'll see you in my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.
Okay,